Hello, word wizards and document dynamos. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your ultimate Microsoft Word headquarters. If you're eager to unravel the full potential of this word processing powerhouse, you've found your tribe. From nifty tips and tricks that'll supercharge your productivity to in-depth tutorials on mastering the art of formatting, we've got your back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a moment of our Microsoft Word magic, and be sure to give our videos a thumbs up if you find them helpful. Get ready to transform your Word game, one click at a time. In this video I am going to explain Design tab. The Design tab is focused on formatting your document's appearance and layout. It provides options for changing the document's theme, adjusting colors, fonts, and paragraph spacing. Keep in mind that these options might vary based on your document's type and the template you're using. Here are the main groups and functionalities within the Design tab. Themes drop-down. The drop-down contains the commands: built-in, more themes on Microsoft Office Online, browse for themes and save current theme. The built-in themes are Office, Apex, Aspect, Civic, Concourse, Equity, Flow, Foundry, Median, Metro, Module, Opulent, Oriole, Origin, Paper, Solstice, Technic, Trek, Urban and Verve. Tooltip indicates the current theme. The default theme is Office. Tooltip indicates the current theme. Quick access to more themes saved down on Microsoft Office Online. Default theme is Office. Changes the overall design of the entire document: ink colors, fonts and effects. This drop-down has an additional command not found in Excel or PowerPoint, which is Reset to Theme from Template. Style Set. Change the look of your document by choosing a new style set. Style sets change the font and paragraph properties of your entire document. Colors drop-down displays a list of all the available colors and lets you change the color component of the active theme. Fonts drop-down displays a list of all the available fonts and lets you change the font component of the active theme. Paragraph spacing drop-down quickly change the line and paragraph spacing in your document. The drop-down contains the commands: no paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, double, custom paragraph spacing. Effects drop-down displays a list of all the available effects and lets you change the effect component of the active theme. The drop-down contains the commands: Office, Apex, Aspect, Civic, Concourse, Equity, Flow, Foundry, Median, Metro, Module, Opulent, Oriole, Origin, Paper, Solstice, Technic, Trek, Urban and Verve. Set as default. Use the current look for all new documents. Watermark drop-down. The drop-down contains the commands: Custom Watermark, remove watermark and save selection to Watermark Gallery. Page Color drop-down lets you change the background color of the page. Displays the full theme color palette. Page Borders displays the border and shading dialog box. Now I will show you how to use these tools. Thanks for tuning into this Microsoft Word Masterclass with Only Tech Mind. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting word journeys ahead. Until next time, keep wording brilliantly.